Y'all ever be thinking y'all so cute y'all don't want to get out the mirror? That's how I'm feeling. Can't nobody tell me this ain't my hair, honey. Can't nobody tell me this ain't my hair, okay? All right. So we're going to jump right into this video. Basically what I'm going to be doing is, I've never tried a frontal or like a lace front wig or like a frontal wig before. So I've been looking all over YouTube to, you know, try to get some ideas and try to get some help on how to apply it. So I stumbled across Aaliyah Jay's. And I am a big fan of hers. Like, she's so bomb and her hair is always laid. So I wanted to try to follow her hair tutorial on how she gets her hair so laid to see if my first attempt would be a success. So this video is in a collaboration with ADDCOLO, I believe that's how you pronounce it, but this is the box right here. And they reached out to me because they know my hair be looking a mess in my videos, and they asked me if I wanted to try out one of their wigs. And I was definitely excited to do that. So really quickly, I'm gonna just tell y'all what they sent to me. So they sent me 2 clips. So basically, here is the wig. It is a 16-inch. I do want to cut it into a bob, I think, but I'm gonna see if I can actually do it first. But I just washed it. It is still a little bit wet, so I'm gonna blow dry it. But it's 16-inch. It's a whole full lace wig. It has 3 combs in it, like right here in this area, and then it has like the little adjustable straps, just like your normal regular wig. So I'm gonna plop this on my head, and I believe it is a 120% density, so it's pretty thin. Like, as far as density, it's not like a very thick wig. Yes, it's still wet. So from my understanding, it looked like it came pre-plucked, but I did pluck a little bit more in the middle part because I wanted it to be a little bit more open. So I already kind of like measured it to my head and everything. But I'm gonna just see exactly where I want it to go. But yes, so far it's already looking bomb. Let me just pull this up a little bit. Yes, but so far it is already looking good, honey. Let's watch the video and see what Aaliyah Jay does.
Or something like that. I'm putting up the top of the hair so that it's out my way, so that I can see the lace. My big old forehead, Jesus. So now it's time to glue it down. I'm going to be using Ghost Bond. So I was happy with it. I'm gonna just be taking like a cardboard box, literally anything, and putting the glue on that. And I'm just taking like this piece of paper that I got from like a package of like hair ties, and using that to, you know, as like a spoon to spread the hair glue on my forehead.
Okay, so that looks like about the amount that she used. My blow dryer does not fit. I need an extension cord, so what I'm going to do is blow dry this, and I'll be right back.
It is tacky. You do not want to dry it until it is like completely dry. You want to dry it until it's tacky, so that when you do put the wig down, it, you know, sticks automatically. So this is,
so hopefully I'm doing this right. I think I put it a little too far down on my forehead, but we'll see. She said dry down until it's tacky, so it looks tacky to me.
That's where I wanted it, so I put it there. And one thing for sure, you do not have to do the whole hairline. You do not have to put the glue on the whole hairline at once. You can do it in sections. I just like to do it at once. I don't know why. But I'm just pressing this down. And I don't like to use my hands to press it down because our hands have oil. So I like to use the back of the comb just to like press down the lace into the glue to make sure it's secure. As you can see, the glue.
So my forehead definitely just went from like a 5 head to like a freaking 3 head.
I can see it still because, you know, the lace has to settle into the glue. Like I said, you can do this in sections. So as you see, I have to glue down the sideburns. So I'm just doing that and using the blow dryer again to, you know, set it in place.
Okay, so I feel like I look like such a drag queen right now. But okay, so she told me to get this like little brush thing that I got, and then hairspray for the baby hairs, but I don't think I want baby hair. So I think what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna blow dry this straight and then figure out what I'm gonna do with my edges. So I'll be right back since my blow dryer doesn't fit. So I'm gonna blow dry this really quick and come back and play with it some more.
I got this from Walgreens. It was about like $5 or $3 or something, and it's just the best thing ever. It has one side comb, one side brush, so it's literally perfect. I have like 3 of them. So I'm gonna put my top hair up, and I'm gonna be using the Tresemme mousse, and I'm going to be using the comb part to just comb out what baby hairs I want. Now some of you,
so I skipped through some because I didn't want to do baby hair. I don't know if I want to do baby hair. Basically, she has I ordered the hot comb, but I didn't get it in the mail yet. So I'm gonna just start straightening my hair in little pieces, and I'm gonna just
ensure that. Don't ask me why I do that face when I'm doing my hair. Okay, so this is the important part. A hot comb is going to be your best friend when you're wearing wigs, weave, even your natural hair. The hot comb gets the wig super duper flat. So right here I'm just showing you guys that I do use the hot comb, because this is not the first step that I do. I don't hot comb the middle part first. That's not what I do actually. And this is the end result. As I said, the flat iron works amazing. It gets it super flat. If you was a person that didn't know anything about hair, you would probably think that this is my natural hair, and it's super snug thanks to the Ghost Bond. Yes, my hairstylist taught me how to do this.
Okay, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried following Aaliyah Jay. Y'all know she's bomb, so I don't know if I can keep up. But for my first time, I don't think it was too bad. But thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And how did I do for my frontal? Don't slander me too much in the comment section, but let me know how I did. And as always, forever, stay blessed. Love you guys.
And I love you guys.
Myself, I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling my filament.